Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. I'm addicted to luxury goods, accessories, makeup, skincare, self-care, and not going to rehab soon. Today I have a very exciting unboxing video. Again, I am so sorry I have been gone for a while. I've just been super busy with work. If you don't know, I owned a clothing brand which is called Sellier, which is what I'm wearing right now. This is our like casual tank top, but we have a lot of stuff. I'll link them down below. But I've just been really busy with our new collection launch, and today we have a very exciting unboxing video, and if you want to skip to that part, I will have that timestamp down below. But let's talk about the story time first. I have been manifesting this bag for a while. Okay, I got my last bag in April, but that bag was offered to me without me manifesting. Like, I was just not prepared. But this bag I have been manifesting. I also put a photo of this bag in my iPhone's lock screen. I have really been manifesting, and I know it's not a classic bag. Like, it's not a, classic that you can resell easily. I think this is quite particular. It is kind of limited, I guess, but I have just been waiting for this bag. And after April, I go in every month again. I purchase, I would say, quite a lot for this bag because I know it is really hard to get. Even on the resale market, it is quite rare. So let's get into the unboxing. And if you want to know what I purchased in order to get this bag, please comment down below again so that I can make the next video. And I'm so sorry that I've been gone for a while, but here we go. It is so big, so I will put this on my lap. And oh, let me show you the ribbons. Because it is towards the end of the year, the ribbons, I'm not sure if you can see this, but it says Merry Christmas and also Merry Christmas in French, but I am not gonna say that. I hope you can see this. I'm not gonna say that. Here it says Merry Christmas. It has the Hermes, and also the horse is usually the horse, right? But now it's a carriage. Like, the ribbon is so cute. Like, I can't even with how cute this is. But let's get to the main event. So here we go. Ribbons out. Let me do it this way. Oh. I think if you have been a fan of Hermes, you know that this long box is something special. It is very special. It is in this long box, and the inside is like navy. Like, this whole borderline is navy, but the bottom part is just foam. Here we have the same certificate and the bag. So let me put the box down. I think if you see this strap and you're a huge fan of Hermes in general, here is the bag. Oh my god. So here is the Kelly Desordre or Disorder. I am sorry if my pronunciation is not right. And let's see in close-up. This is in gold color. Hermes calls it gold. It is like a tanny brown with silver or palladium hardware, and oh my god, it is so pretty. We will definitely do the peeling off of this together. Oh my god, it is so pretty. I cannot wait. The straps is not adjustable, but if you wear it on the side, it is just right. It's like a good shoulder bag, and you can wear it like both ways. So basically you can wear it like this side out, and you can also wear it like this side out. Oh, it is so pretty. Like, I can't even look at that. It is so pretty. You can wear it on both sides like this. Let's see on the inside. I cannot find any reviews on YouTube. I guess this bag is not like the famous, like, usual Kelly Birkin bag, so there's not a lot of reviews in this bag. So for the price of this bag, there's no information whatsoever of the retail price of this bag in Thailand. I only know the resale price. And when I got this, which is November 2023, I got this bag, and in USD it is around $14,000 to $15,000. And please take in account that Thai baht is so weak right now compared to USD. So that is just my conversion, and I'm just giving you in USD, so it's universal for everyone because not everybody is, suffering in Thai baht. So here it is. So in terms of the measurements of this bag, because this is the same size as the Kelly Mini or Kelly 20, the length here, it is the same, which is 20. However, this is a lot taller, so the height here is 16 centimeters. But here's the tricky thing. This side, like the bottom, as you can see, it goes like that. So this part and this part is not the same, but you have this front flap that folds over. So just measuring this part, it is 9 centimeters, and this smaller part is 6 centimeters, so it goes down like that. So it's a bit tricky to find an insert, honestly, but I know that I'm gonna put, you know, some stuff in, and I think the front flap here is also very easy. I don't think you can put a phone in here. It kind of just opens up like that, and then I think you can put like cards, you can put definitely some keys. Like, it is quite spacey. You can put your whole hand in here. And a special thing, another special thing about this is that this inside leather right here is Chev. So the outside is Epsom, and usually the inside is a smooth leather or its own leather or Togo or whatever it is. This one is Chev. So I absolutely love Chev. I have a card holder. No, I have a small wallet, coin purse in Chev, and I absolutely love it. It has a bit of shininess to it. And on the other side, this bag has 2 sides, just like my moods, swings. So let me open her up. It is also just one opening like that. So on this side, it is also the same Chev leather, and I think it is further deep in, and I will show you what fits. So let's go to that. So here is the front or the back. You can use it on either side, and this is the other side. I do prefer this to be on the outside because it has this extra flap on here, and we will do this sticker pulling together. I know I really want to save this sticker pulling for YouTube because, you know, it is the most satisfying thing to hear this. So let's do this top part together first. Look at that shininess. There's so many parts. Another one. I wish the sound is a tiny bit more satisfying. And here's the inside. And the bottom one here on the buckle. Okay, here's the bottom part, and let's go to the other side. This side is done. Here's the other side. This side already is a little bit off. The last part. And we are done with both sides. You can also wear the bag like not closing the buckle as well. It will look like this. And now I will show you what fits inside the bag. As you can see here in the front, it only opens up to this much. So I would say you can probably put like a really mini lipstick. You can put your car keys. Let me try to put something in there. I have this like coin purse, so let's see if it fits. Oh, it does fit. I guess it would fit my Calvi wallet as well. This is my Calvi wallet. Let's try it. Okay, it fits, but it's stretching a little bit. Like, this side is not stretching, however, this side is stretching a little bit, and I don't think you can close it. So if you don't mind not closing it, you can put a Calvi card holder in it. But let's just stick to this coin purse where I put banknotes, and it's really just easy to close like that. And let's go on this big side of the bag. I really do want to see how much it fits because the bottom part, as I've said before, the width of the bottom is not the same, which is really hard to find an insert. I don't think I would be able to find an insert. If you have any recommendations, please let me know. And there's also one back pocket where you can kind of put receipts back here as well. And this is my iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is like the biggest as it can be, and it fits right in but diagonally, so I don't think I will put my phone in. I mean, I can also put it in this way if I don't plan to close it, but I don't think I should put anything in. Okay, I think I can put that in, but I don't think that's a great idea. So I usually have my alcohol spray. I'm pretty sure it fits. So for this Goyard pouch, I have my medicine, my hand cream, some band-aid, and also like a lip balm in here. I'm pretty sure it would fit. Yes, it fits very easily. And I have my coffee card holder. Let's see what else it fits. I have another lipstick. This is from Pat McGrath. I love the packaging. It fits very easily. I have another thing that I cannot live without, my AirPods. Fits pretty easily and closes pretty easily too. No, let's see. What is wide down here? Oh, okay. Let's see. What's wide? Actually, it fits pretty easily. Voila. It's very, very easy to close. But I think this part is a little bit difficult to open up. So here you go. I mean, there is still some space left, but that's all I usually need. Yeah, that's it. But after putting all this, I cannot put my phone in any way. I can only put it like this, but can't close it at all. But this is good enough for me. I can also just do that and not, you know, put this in. It is quite cute. Oh, this bag is just so pretty. Thank you for watching this video. I am so in love with this bag. I can't even. I just think it is perfect for me. I am a very minimal girl, but I love something, you know, that extra something as a minimal girl. And this bag is just so pretty. I cannot wait to carry it outside. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions or comments, or if you'd like me to do a journey of what I bought for this bag, please let me know down below so that I will make the next video. And thank you for watching.